This is an infrastructure change as big as the initial commercial internet, and they're going to be focused on infrastructure changes that make America more competitive. And this is absolutely going to be a core building block in that. It's really, as some people like to say, it's a new form factor for dollars. It is a way to take the stability of a dollar sitting inside the Federal Reserve governed banking system and then imbue it with the powers of cryptocurrency, which is the ability to transmit it globally, instantly.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy. And it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward. And I talked a little bit about retail.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now, right now, we are steady. No volume is in the market right now. Guys, we have about an 8-day window before back. So we know if we don't hit this 20,000, we're right there. It's not like we need a lot to hit the 20,000, but if we don't hit that 20,000 within these 8 days, we're not going to hit it this year. So, but basically, we definitely have a lot of catalysts to play. So we have the stimulus, and then we also have the Fed cutting that check on Tuesday. Now, remember, we have 4 repo operations that are going to be shut down on the 31st. Which that's going to take away a lot of liquidity. It's about $175 billion that's going to be taken off the table. So guys, remember the indicators that we have. Volume. We saw last month the volume is second highest, and we all know who was leading that volume, of course, was Tether. So guys, remember USDC, Tether, Xrp, and volume. It's going to let us know which way the market is going. And this is very, very important because, like I said, we're definitely going to get a nice correction this month. 10% or more. Stock market probably get about 3 to 7% correction. Now, we have back on December 17th. And then we also have CME December 24th. So, guys, make sure you write that on the calendar. We know that we're going to take a dip. Just like I stated, basically October into November. None of that made any sense. We had BitMEX exchange, all the exchanges going through issues. Also, of course, we had the United States moving USDC over to Venezuela. All of it didn't make any sense. Yes, we got a beautiful pump. But, guys, we have to make sure we don't get distracted. Remember, we're still in the speculation phase. But Ethereum is ramping up because basically that's definitely the piece that we need for that real use case. That's going to bring in, of course, institutions, the retail investors, the masses. Ethereum is that missing piece. Now, guys, let's get into the actual crypto news. I talk about tokenization all the time on this channel and also my second channel. We have Bitrue Global has launched trading tokenized stocks. Basically, we have Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Netflix, Pfizer. So, guys, all this is going to be tokenized, nothing but tokenized securities. So, we definitely going to see that real estate. And we know once everything gets tokenized, what does that do? Free up liquidity. That's right. Now, basically, we have Standard Chartered and the Philippines Bank issue a $187 million bond on blockchain. Now, we had the China Construction Bank was talking about doing a big one, but it got delayed. But eventually, guys, all these bonds are going to be on blockchain. Now, we have 6 stock exchange joins venture opening up a digital asset the Swiss bank. And guys, that's supposed to launch first quarter of next year. And guys, we have a lot of things going to be happening the first quarter of next year, but we also know we're going to get a big correction in the stock market and in cryptos because everybody sells the first beginning of the year because you have the whole year to make up for that. We also have the German bank launches a crypto fund of digital assets. Basically, the fund is going to be called HAIC, launches January 1st of 2021. We also had Germany's second largest stock exchange basically say their crypto trading app Bison hit 1 billion volume in 2020. So we see Germany leading a lot in blockchain and in cryptos, guys. So make sure you're keeping an eye on that. Now, basically, we have Thai tax collectors will get an edge by using blockchain in 2021. And guys, we know that's a fact because basically once all this gets on blockchain, it's all surveillance. So when it comes to tax, they can just take your money basically. So once we move away from cash, of course, we have a lot of restaurants. I don't know where you at, but where I'm at, I have a lot of restaurants that only accept cash because the fact is that you don't have to worry about reporting all of it. We know the game. But the fact is that once all this gets tokenized on crypto, the IRS will have no issues with that. Now we have Japanese city to test blockchain voting using Layer X blockchain. Now, guys, we know that all the fuss, especially around this election, we know the New World Order does what? Cause a problem, wait for the reaction, run in with the solution. So we know that our next voting in 2024 is going to be on blockchain, guys. We know this for a fact. It's secure, and that's how they're going to sell it to the people. Of course, the fourth industrial revolution. Now, lastly, guys, we have the BBC is getting into NFT market. So, guys, just like I said, guys, you have to be able to transition. Well, of course, we have the Bitcoin altcoins. Then, of course, we have DeFi. And now we have the NFT. So, definitely, guys, virtual reality, all that's drones, robots. You definitely going to have to transition and educate yourself on the actual technology, guys. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links are at the bottom. Also, guys, don't forget about the stock channel. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. Don't forget about those. They're still pumping and dumping those. And then while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.